Social media is really good at blowing things out of proportion, especially for entrepreneurs. So I actually want to show you a genuine day in the life of an 8-figure entrepreneur, what I actually do. So the first thing I'll do is wake up, put on some clothes, get my bed done. I really hate a messy bed. Then right after that, I'll begin meditating for 10 minutes to get mental clarity. Then right after that, I'll actually go select a watch I want to wear for that day. So it depends on my mood. And then I'll start my professional workday by sitting down, really thinking exactly clearly of 3 objectives I want to hit that day. And then before I actually start any real work, I hit the gym for about 30 minutes to do some fasted cardio. And then I'll walk Nori, make sure he gets his first walk in the morning, my dog. And then I'll get some coffee as well on the way. And then I'll begin my sales meeting with my sales team. Once I'm done that meeting, I'm going to do my own market analysis for e-commerce, crypto as well. I do spend some time to look at the crypto market, even the stock market. And then right after that, I just take a little break and start reading my favorite book of the week. And then spend some time with my dropshipping students in my mentorship program. And then once I'm done all that, at this point, it's probably around like 5 p.m. I spend some time to cook, be my first meal of the day because I do intermittent fasting. So I've just put some, together something like ribs and vegetables. And then about an hour after I'm done eating, I hit the gym again for some weights, spend some time with Nori for his second walk in the evening. Once I finally get some time to myself, I actually watch some Shark Tank to end the day.